What's up guys, for today's video I'm going to put to the test electric shears. This is the brand of it. It comes with a battery, 2 of them, and a charger. Pretty awesome. Let's see if it actually can do some damage. Let's say you need to trim up some branches. Oh my gosh, this is so easy. One more time right here. Okay, let's go to something bigger. Wow, look at that. If it doesn't work, finish it off with the second time. Now we have clear fence over here. Okay, let's trim this dead tree up. Look how well it does. Okay, let's see how well it does with the thicker tree right here. Probably I'll have to go around a little bit. That's a bit too thick now. Pruning shears are very useful around the gardening. Look at that. This is a little bit sideways, so I'm going to get rid of it. Let this two stay strong. And look, this is pretty thick. As thick as my thumb. Going lower and lower. Sometimes 3 times, getting thicker and thicker. You see it's getting even thicker. Sorry about the overexposed everything here. Boom. In my forest this stuff kills the trees. It wraps around it and it's huge problem in Nashville and Blue Ridge Mountain. So this makes it easy work to chop it up. Pretty awesome. So that way you prune it up, get rid of this stuff. Boom. Again, this branch is a bit too low. You wanna prune it up, no problem. This one is dead. Once again, you wanna prune them up, no problem. So that way you can walk around here in your garden. Makes it really easy. Now it's all these branches not in your face. And the tree doesn't care, it stays healthy. Boom. There's a couple more things, I cannot walk around them. It's pretty thick right here. Makes it easy job, lots at the same time. And look how long I have been pruning all this stuff. Makes it really easy. So in conclusion, I think this is very powerful tool for forestry, gardening, clean up the branches going around your fence. This is very nice. Chop off a little branch, the tree doesn't care, it's just gonna keep growing. At least all those branches won't be in your face.